Hi, welcome to Nomi's Academy. In this video, we are going to learn how to derive the general quadratic formula using completing the square method. In my previous video, I explained how to solve quadratic equation using completing the square method. Alright, so today we are going to learn how to derive the general quadratic formula. Now, the general quadratic equation is given as ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. Alright, the next thing we need to do, we need to subtract c from both sides of the equation. So we write subtract c from both sides. And that will give us ax squared plus bx. C minus c is 0 equal to 0 minus c is minus c. Alright, the next thing we need to do, we need to make the coefficient of x squared to be 1. Here, the coefficient of x squared is 8. So we need to make it 1. To do that, we are going to divide 2 by 8. Divide 2 by 8. And that will be ax squared divided by 8 plus bx divided by 8 equal to minus c divided by 8. So this can cancel this, and then we are left with x squared plus b over a x equal to minus c all over a. Alright, the next thing we need to do is to make the left hand side a perfect square. To do that, we are going to add to both sides square half the coefficient of x. We are going to add to both sides square half the coefficient of x. So we write add to both sides square half of the coefficients of x. So let's do that. Now half the coefficient of x is b over a, then the square, and that will give us b over 2a raised to the power of 2. So we are going to add this to both sides of the equation. The essence is to make the left hand side a perfect square. So that will be x squared plus b over a x plus b over 2a squared equal to minus c, or we write b over 2a squared minus c over a. Alright, the next thing we need to do is to factorize the left hand side. Since the left hand side is a perfect square, it is very easy to factorize. So factorize the left hand side. And that will be, to factorize it, we just pick x and b over 2a. So that will be x plus b over 2a, all raised to the power of 2. So when you factorize the left hand side, you will get this. Alright, equal to, now we have b squared all over 2a squared, and that is b squared all over 2 squared is 4, and a squared is this, minus c over a. Alright, the next thing we need to do here is to take the square root of both sides. We take the square root of both sides. So we write take the square roots of both sides. And whenever you do that, bear in mind that you're going to introduce the plus or minus sign in the right hand side. So that will be square root of x plus b over 2a raised to the power of 2 equal to, you introduce the plus or minus sign, plus or minus square root of b squared minus, all over 4a squared minus c over a. Alright, the square roots can cancel the 2 if you remember indices. Square root can cancel the square. So we cancel this, so we have x plus b over 2a equal to plus or minus square root of, now let's get the LCM of the two fractions, the denominator. The LCM is 4a squared. So 4a squared divided by 4a squared is 1. 1 times b squared is b squared. 4a squared divided by a is 4a. 4a times c is minus 4ac. Alright, so we can go further to split the square root sign. So we have x plus b over 2a equal to plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over square root of 4a squared. And then we have x plus b over 2a equal to plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over square root of 4 is 2. And the square root of a squared is a. So we have square root of 4a squared is 2a. Then we need to move plus b over 2a to the other side, and that will give us x equal to minus b all over 2a plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So we take the square, or we take the LCM, which is 2a. X equal to, the LCM is 2a. So we have 2a divided by 2a, which is 1. 1 multiplied by minus b is minus b. Plus or minus 2a divided by 2a is 1. And 1 multiplied by the numerator, we have b squared minus 4ac. So as you can see at this point, we will stop. This is the general quadratic formula. X equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So we use this formula to solve quadratic equation. If you can pick out the constants a, b, and c, you slot those constants in your formula, then you can get the root of the equation. Thank you for watching. See you next time.